going to do one side of the face for you.
Okay.
Now,
Okay. So what is the shade?
so the shade that you're using today is called um,
I think I'm using the soft beige.
no. So the one I'm using on you today is different. So I'm going to tell you the color.
Okay. So makeup. Next step is makeup.
So next step is your makeup, and the color I'm using is petal because
Petal.
I think you just need a slightly more color to it.
Okay, that is more
Yeah, a little
dark
bit more,
that I'm
yeah.
using. Yeah.
So that's the color.
Yeah.
That's the make, and you start off with. So this is on a pink range.
This one is a big range. Yeah.
So I'm going to do. It's just to give you a bit more brightness to take away the redness.
Okay, yeah, because I have lots of redness in the skin.
I'm going to do one side of the face for you.
Okay. So this is more on pink undertone.
Yeah, so this is the pink tone. So it's just so that you could actually get a better same color. So like soft beige is more on the brown side, so warmer side.
Yes.
This is slightly, it's a neutral.
Okay.
So it's a neutral color, so it's not warm and it's not cool. So have a look at one side of the face.
Oh wow. I
Can you
think
see
this color is fit for me.
Perfect.
It's more natural.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more natural. But
It's a
the other
beautiful
one
color.
is more brown, the
Yes,
soft
correct.
beige.
And this one is more peachy color, but it's more
Yeah.
to your color. So whenever you put any foundation, make sure you always cover your hairline as well.
Oh.
Because what happens is you want a canvas finish. So you want the color
Also
to
just
be
include the
Yeah.
in the
so
eyes.
it's always make sure, yeah, because you don't want two different colors. If your eyes are different color, then you don't want to do that because you want it to look all the same.
Oh yeah, so that it's like match everything.
Yeah. So wherever you've got the redness, just with the brush, you just tap it in.
Yeah, I have the brush. I purchased it one before. This the same brush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice and light. So,
It can cover my spots as well.
Yep, it can cover everything.
Yes.
And this makes your face look more brighter and very lovely. I'm going to show you that in a minute.
Okay.
And then I will put the powder on for you as well, okay?
Okay. I'm using also loose powder from
Yeah,
this.
that's the one I'm going to put on
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
And never forget your neck. So when you do any foundation, always cover your neck as well.
So that it. Oh look, guys! Oh wow, more natural look.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it's more natural look.
So in the summer, you will go in for soft beige. But at this moment, it's spring. This is your color for
This is
you.
my color, yeah. Yeah, I'm using now perhaps the soft beige. This can cover my
So it's
redness.
taken the redness as well.
Wow.
And now we're going to use the loose powder.
So this one, this is the 1C petal.
And I'm going to use a warmer shade on the powder.
Okay, that's what I'm using.
Yeah, so the reason is so that you can get an even skin tone, but it will not look, so this will use it as a blusher as well.
So warmer, this is the...
Yeah. So
Loose powder.
yeah, so what you do is you've got whatever you need. Use your hand as a palette.
Yeah. And then
Dust off everything.
this is the what's it, dark
Powder. So yeah,
dark
so
powder.
this is going to be used as a blusher as well.
Okay.
So that it gives you, so you've got 2 in 1. And you put it on the eyes as well. The reason is so that that could give a bit more. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It is really has given you, and this is only with a powder. So you've got SPF on there, and you've
Oh,
got
this is SPF.
yeah. So it's a beautiful one.
It's not the same that I bought or something.
It's
or is it the same?
no, you haven't got this one. So this has got the. It doesn't. This is the one you've got. This is the deep one.
Oh yeah, this is the big one.
It can be worked as a bronzer as well. Can you see?
Yeah.
Now we finish off with the lipstick. What do you think?
Yeah, lipstick. Can I use the like natural?
Yeah, natural
like,
colour, yeah.
Nude color lipstick.
Nude colour?
Yes, please, thank you.
Pink or brown?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Natural pink?
Yeah, natural pink. So this one is the loose powder. Dark.
Yeah, so that is the loose powder. And this is the lipstick, which is called the Rose Passion.
Okay.
So this
No
colour.
color, yeah. Also lip balm.
So you outline it,
Okay.
okay, with a lip liner. So like this.
So you need to put a
Yeah,
lip
just
liner
all
first.
around, because then that way it stops your lips bleeding.
Okay.
And then
Lip liner from Sisley.
you use, and this is the pink color lipstick.
Oh, pink. I think I'm not using that because that I bought recently is
Yeah.
the other one. It's like a lip balm.
This is probably the most popular one. Just because
And these lip pencils have got the brush at the back of it.
Oh.
So you just use the brush.
It was sold separate?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Can you see that? How
Perfect.
beautiful it is.
Perfect.
So
Looks
it's all
natural.
natural, very natural.
Natural and my lips is too dry.
Yeah.
Natural and
And it gives you that beautiful
yeah.
glow as well.
Wow.
Your skin looks amazing.
Yes, because of the one that you have. Wow. We have this one that.
It's the eyebrow pen.
Eyebrow?
Yeah, so we can do that now.
Wow, guys, from Sisley. Looks natural.
And I'm going to use a brown color
Okay.
so that it looks natural.
Okay.
It looks natural on
This
this.
brown.
And you don't need to do anything. You're just filling up your lines.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, wow, it looks natural.
It's very natural. You don't want too heavy.
Yeah.
You don't want it dark. So you've got to do it as
And
natural as
brown.
possible.
Brown
It's a
is
brown.
natural because
Yeah.
I'm using black eyeliner.
No, you don't need black eyeliner. You can even use, so this is a beautiful colour, so that's just giving you the beautiful
Yes.
finish.
Yes, nice.
Yeah?
I love it.
Excellent.
Love this.
The finish.
It's finished. So thank you. So
You're more than
I
welcome.
will check now which procedure I want because I'm planning this second. I need to close the camera.
Yeah, turn this